We are in Marikina River Bank, our favorite hangout for family and friends day and night. There's a mall for needs, but things change sometimes because part on the river shows the recent inclement weather. And in times like this, the water level may rise several meters. It flows from the mountains of Montalban. Estimating the large volume of water is having. For many pitch the residences on the riverside and lowlands, always waiting for the other shoe to drop, and you find yourself among stranded families in rescue facilities. And yet, when you wander here, you wander in this attractive river. There is a lot of pleasurable things to do here. And you can't get enough on what you're seeing. The city is waving and serving as your catalyst for another prospect.
Once I hit them switches, babe, and I'm about